welcome to this week's Travelin' Young, right here. And we have two special guests. One is my mom, because I'm at home. And then the other is her brother, my Uncle Eddie. Look at that. And people have heard us talk about pop-up, and I think you do one of the best pop-up impressions.
Jesus Christ, Tamara, what are you doing with this thing? God damn it, the hell.
That's right. I forgot to warn you about the language part.
Cut that part out. Start again and cut that part out.
So last time, well, one of the times we were here, I made you shrimps and egg small roll.
Yes.
And I wanted to bring Leverpostej, but I couldn't because you can't bring meat. So this time, we're going to make it.
Yes.
Right here. I even bought a meat grinder special for this occasion so you can have Leverpostej made. Don't wait. See, it's not plugged in.
It's not plugged in.
So Mom and I, a few days ago, watched the priest when he was in Elkhorn.
Yes.
And they made the, he made it with the guy, the mayor of Elkhorn, made it with sweetened condensed milk.
Yeah.
Can you imagine that?
And
the Danish guys
was trying
were
not
like,
to make a face.
trying to be really nice about it,
Yeah.
but they're like, this doesn't seem right. But we're following his recipe, not the sweetened condensed milk recipe.
No, the real Danish recipe.
And it was really hard to find, but we got pork liver, which I've cut into cubes. We've got lard, and I couldn't get big bits of fat, so I got that's already like refined lard.
But it's pig
But it's
lard.
pork lard.
Is that the kind of lard they swimmers use that?
Yeah,
No, they do. They put it on stuff. Pork
So
lard.
that
They
they
swim
get
it through the
fast?
water. No, yeah, so it keeps them warm in the water.
Oh, I thought maybe it made them faster.
Yeah, no, they can swim in the English Channel and they cover themselves in lard.
And lard?
Really?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
All right.
I think so. If not,
If not, tell us. We got flour, we got onions, we've got pepper, we got salt.
Yes.
And we got the grinder that I bought specifically for this reason.
Yes.
All right, are we ready? And I've also got a brick of bread over there because I forgot to bring it with me. And we got some bacon we'll make later. And by the way, also in between, your dad's gonna throw in the bread. Here's the brick of bread that is close to Danish rye bread as I could find here in America.
oh, it's not sliced.
No,
It is
we
like
have
a
to-
brick.
Yeah.
It is sliced.
And we got some bacon that we're gonna put on top of it. And in between, we've got some licorice for Mom to try because we know she likes licorice. So,
Yes.
but
I
let's
think they know I like licorice too by now.
let's get this thing started. What do you
Okie
think?
dokie.
Okay,
Eddie,
then plug it up.
The Power Master.
I'm going to use my glove because I don't want to touch this stuff.
Out of the gate, it's nasty.
Okay, so do you want to turn it on?
You got the plunger?
Yeah, it's over here.
There it goes.
It's coming out. Hey, it's doing okay.
Yeah, sure. Onion.
Oh, it's got a roast.
Ready?
So far, it looks right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks fine.
Oh, it looks delicious. It's mouth-watering. I can hardly contain
It's
myself.
almost as good as licorice.
Hey, Josh, that's a good evening.
It's yeah, he did call me Josh. Does it pop up again?
Here, look at that. There it goes. There goes the onion juice. That'll clean it out.
Yeah.
We do need to get the lard in there though and mix it, and I feel like we should do it one more time after we get the lard in there.
Yeah. I forgot about the lard. I forgot about the flavor. That's a lot of flavor right there.
Oh my.
Yeah, that's flavorful.
We could have cut that up a little bit. No, it's kind of it'll go.
Yeah, that's working.
Oh,
good.
that's
That's
just
just what we
plain.
needed.
Wait a minute, that's just plain beautiful.
You're gonna need another glove.
Make sure you can look. See
Yeah,
that? You see that? Because you want to make sure that little get a good look.
Yeah.
Okay. Loaded,
what does that
loaded
do?
with iron.
What does that do?
What? That's a little
That
camera.
Oh, it's a little camera.
Loaded with iron.
It's loaded with iron. Liver is loaded with iron. That's what they used to say.
Yeah, it's also full of cholesterol.
Yeah, here's one for you. A great pop thing.
Yep.
Instead of cholesterol, he said, "Hey, I got a high testicle."
He never stops.
That's what he used to say. Hey, Dad, what's the matter, man? You okay? Yeah, I go to the doctor. He said I got a high testicle. I gotta watch what I eat. I'm gonna tell you, I can't eat this. That's what he did.
Oh my goodness.
This is so interesting.
So what?
Interesting.
If we put all that lard in there, that was a lot of lard.
Lord.
Oh,
Oh, what is that?
finger looking good right there.
This is
Those onions are making my eyes tear.
special effect, Bob.
Be good.
I am being good. Wait, listen, I'm just trying to.
Okay. I feel like we might need to go back to the big bowl. What do you think?
Oh, to mix all the other
Yeah,
stuff in
yeah.
with it. Maybe.
Yeah, you give. I don't know.
So we're gonna add the flour.
Yeah. Nice. See that? Now.
Now we're cooking.
Okay.
Sticks. Before we just. Now.
Actually, it's
You get the last
smelling
bit
a
in.
lot better.
Yeah, the flour helps the smell a ton. I'm
Okay.
gonna add a little
Smell
bit
it
more
over
water.
me.
Okay, we still gotta get the salt and pepper in there.
Yeah, throw the
This
salt
seems
in.
like an awful lot of salt.
That
and
salt
pepper.
will tighten it up. The meat. Watch. Man, the machine welded into one.
Okay.
A little salt.
Ooh. See what? Oh yeah, I wouldn't put any more wood in it.
No, this is enough.
That's it for that.
Okay.
Now we're gonna start the pepper.
And the pepper. Now the pepper.
And the pepper. And the pepper. Look at this pepper. Look at that. You see that pepper?
That's some good pepper.
Uh-oh, I gotta sneeze.
It looks
Looks like it. did
Pretty
when they-
accurate.
Yeah, when those men were making it. It looks
Yeah,
like
very accurate. I've never seen it before.
that. You didn't watch the YouTube.
You want to watch the video later?
No, I think this is enough for me. In person.
You're living it.
The eyes aren't burning like they were before.
This is the. It's not focus. There we go. This is the concoction at the moment. Oh, I just poured it on your carpet. I'm just kidding. I pulled it up.
I'll get it right out with scissors. Don't worry.
Cut it right out, huh?
So now we're gonna transfer it to the pans, and I didn't. Hold
Do
on.
you think we should leave that in there or take it out?
It's
How
on,
much
and
if I
there's
eat
no
some of
on
this right
button.
now?
Bake
Okay.
350 and then
Let's start.
start.
Okay.
Got it.
So we'll let this warm while we're doing this part. What did you just do?
Nothing. I smelled it. My nostrils flared. There we go.
I can't see very well.
Why not? You been drinking?
No, it's the bowl's blocking it. Here, let's switch to make. So while we're waiting, we're gonna eat some licorice.
Okay, the licorice I put right
Yeah,
over
yeah.
there.
Now it's licorice
Here,
time?
yeah,
What are your
licorice.
thoughts on licorice?
I like licorice.
Well, he's my brother. Of course he likes licorice.
I had some for breakfast.
So I got some different ones
Well,
for
let me
mom
Put this over there.
to try here. This is Sous Licorice.
Look at this one.
From
Bob.
Good Jewel.
Is that a Danish one or is that the Swedish?
Yeah.
Non-stop.
You want to wash your hands or?
My hands are clean.
Oh,
I
okay,
washed
he's
them
looking
before
at his
we
hands.
started.
Oh, so you
yeah.
put this in there?
No, you put it in your mouth.
Oh.
This is a completely different experience.
Let me see.
This is pretty good.
Oh, there's just so much the salmiak.
Well, what's in it that
Watch
you
me
don't
blow a
like?
bubble.
The salmiak, what?
Watch me blow a bubble. It's not working.
What do you think of
No,
this?
I like it.
Eddie?
It shot all right.
Well, what is salmiak?
It's the salty
Ooh.
stuff.
Salt. No, it's not as salty as that other stuff you had. That fish stuff.
How do you feel, Eddie? This is your first Danish
It's
licorice
like
experience.
Yeah,
Oh, it
that's
is,
good.
but it's intense.
I don't know.
This is not Danish.
This one's the
This
same
one, Old Timers, which is from the Netherlands, I think.
Oh, Netherlands.
Old
This is-
timers.
Spicy sweet.
We're part Dutch. We should enjoy it.
Spicy sweet.
You know what happened? I have like a cavity that fell out. Now that licorice is stuck.
I thought you were going to say the licorice.
No, the filling fell out.
Pulled the-
This is licorice.
Yes.
Yeah, they're all licorice. They're just different types.
You sure there ain't no fentanyl or nothing in this?
Offend? Was
No
that?
fentanyl.
No, fentanyl, yeah.
This tastes different than they taste good. This is more like pure licorice.
It's like something like them the old gold rush guys would be eating up on a mountain or something. Hey, boy!
Over in the Yukon.
Yeah, old crusty dude. That's what I call old time. That don't taste as good as the first one.
These guys
That's got a little sawdust in there.
Yeah, I agree.
It doesn't have as much flavor as the first
It
one.
doesn't have any flavor compared to the first one.
Okay, this tastes good, but this is just important for everybody to try.
It's
Which
like
is-
Winston cigarettes.
Some pipes.
Pipes.
Yeah, they're in the shape of a pipe. We'll look like Grandpa. Remember he always smoked a pipe?
Oh, yeah.
It's called a skipper's pipe.
Wait, I'm getting an important call. No, I'm not. Oh, I've seen these.
You have? Where have you seen those?
In like
Okay. Now you gotta put it in your mouth
Yeah,
like you're
like this.
smoking a pipe.
Yeah, I've seen it. I've seen this like one time in a weird pot dream I had.
Okay, that's just
You gotta be like Popeye.
well,
You gotta be like Pluto.
Grandpa.
Mmm.
Hey, Ed.
The Ghost and Mrs. Muir.
Yeah, I remember that. That was a good TV show.
Miss Muir.
Do you like it?
Yeah,
You
I
haven't
like-
eaten it yet?
This is
Still playing
chewy.
with it?
you just kind of.
Oh, I like the pink dots.
Well, it has a little sweet
Well, that's
flavor
it.
to
Looks like it's on fire. You know, like you're smoking it.
it. All right.
Okay.
This is just like American licorice.
I can't wait to get the taste of licorice out of my mouth with this.
It'll do it.
Yeah.
We're going to stick this in the oven, and we'll be back to try this
And count to 3.
on bread with bacon
Yeah, it's almost up to 350.
in a little bit. It's been made. We're seated. This is what the final product looks like. I put some bacon. That actually I made the bacon a few minutes ago, so it's not quite as... What? There's Mom
You made
Ted.
that bacon like a half hour ago.
It wasn't a half hour ago.
It was.
Okay, maybe it was. All right. You're not as enthusiastic now as you were earlier.
I am.
We never commented on your name tag, by the way.
Yeah.
What's it say?
Reynolds Kitchen.
Oh.
He
That's
took it
what
off
these
the
were
pan.
made in.
All right.
So can we
Now,
test it now?
I'm just going to eat this thing like this.
Do what you want.
Like a Ritz. Look.
How is it?
He just jumped in.
I know.
It's not bad.
Yeah?
No. The bacon's good.
I don't like this, but I'm eating it out of
Let me
solidarity.
see. Wait. It just,
Oh, you know, this is not bad at all.
no, it tastes like bacon.
It does. It does. You put the bacon. I don't even have the bacon on mine, but it's just.
Wait a minute.
Don't have anything else in here. You just have the bread. No, I had some on there that I already ate.
Hmm.
Oh, you're eating this toast.
Let me have some bacon.
So,
It don't taste like.
what? Please.
I'm not sure.
It's good though. It's not bad.
I don't know if it's that she's polite about everything. Because she always says that.
The bacon is really good.
Even though it was made 30 minutes ago.
But you know I like liver, so.
I mean, I'll say this. I've had the real thing.
And this is not the real thing.
No, it tastes a lot like the real
This
thing.
is pretty good.
It tastes a lot like the real thing.
Now you gotta eat it without bacon.
Yeah, you ate all the bacon.
It don't taste like anything.
That's a swallow.
Let me see your tongue when you're done.
No, it's got a little bit of a liverwurst taste to it.
I'm crying.
Me too.
I'm eating it.
I had a bite.
I thought it was pretty good.
You're just cutting it into pieces and moving the pieces around on your plate.
No, I'm eating it. I'm eating it.
Yeah.
I don't really taste it that much. I think it's the bread.
Well, the bread, you've never had this bread
Oh, look,
before,
there's some
probably.
more bacon. If you don't want that bacon, I'll take it. Is the rule you have to finish this?
I'm not going to finish it. I had
Why
a bite.
not?
Because I know what it tastes like. I had a bite.
I'll eat the bacon if you.
You want my bacon?
What did you get?
I don't eat a lot of
Look,
bacon.
it didn't even stick to it. Look,
You eat the bacon, I'll eat the liver.
it's like a tuning fork.
Come on, you're making me cry.
What are you crying for?
I know, he's been
That
trying.
ain't me making you cry.
He can't make me cry, but you have to try.
What do you think? What would Pop say about this?
He said, mind you. He said, on.
It's a good.
You don't know what the hell a good is. Eat 'em, boy.
I'm serious, it's not that bad.
You ate it.
She's eating the whole thing. Look, she's eating the bits and putting it on top.
It's good.
So you actually like it.
She didn't say that.
There's a difference between liking and not bad.
I like liver and
Yeah.
Just like Mom used to make.
Mom didn't cook this good.
Wow.
All right. Well, I feel
got
like
it.
you ate it all, Eddie. You got it.
I ain't punking it out.
Well, thank you for partaking in this. Thank you for driving down from New Jersey and visiting.
Thanks for the bacon.
And thank you, Mom, for enduring another. You want mine? Here, I gave him the bacon.
Don't push it.
I feel a little good.
All right. If you
Oh, really?
if you didn't see when she was eating the last small bowl,
And
What
he's
are you
up
doing
in a
now?
comedy or something.
What are you doing? Having a beer? Is that what you're doing?
I'm cleansing my palate. Oh, Lord. Listen, if you're going to swallow it, just wash it down.
Yeah, do you see what's on the front of this beer
yeah,
can?
atomic pumpkin,
Yeah, it's a skeleton.
the skeleton.
Skeletor, yeah, like.
All right. Well, if you didn't see when she ate the last one, which was much easier, shrimp and mayonnaise, check that video out. And we're gonna say goodbye because I feel like this can go on forever. And there's actually real food in the other room.
No, I'm glad it's over.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye till next time.
I'm out of here.